Hi, I'm Samantha Christopherson, co-founder of KW Professional Organizers. I'm going to show you how to add a pocket or carrying piece into your journal if you didn't have one built in. Okay, so what do I mean by built-in carrying pocket? This is a moleskin journal. This is the one that I'm using for my bullet journal today. It always has generally a carrying pocket in the end. Again, you can put content into that. You can put post-it notes into that and kind of keep things so that if you're traveling around, you don't have to worry about losing pieces of paper. But what do you do when your journal doesn't come equipped with that? You can just tape an envelope into the journal itself. Okay, so you want to have a nice envelope to choose from, but again, you can put and slide anything into that. So pick your journal up that doesn't have, potentially a back pocket that you want to keep things in. Why do you put it on the back page? Because it tends to be a stronger piece of the book, so it's just kind of better for the envelope and the page. You can also put it into just a page anywhere into the journal, but I like to put it at the back because things are easily found in that place. So you want to make sure you have an envelope that matches the size of your book and won't be too large or too small. And then you're going to, on the face where you would write to who the letter or who the envelope is for, that's where you're going to put your glue that just kind of mark the edges of that piece of paper all the way around. And I always like to do an X through the middle, and then it just gives it a little bit more kind of glue and support. Then you're going to flip it over. And with the envelope opening at the inside of the spine of the journal, you're going to place your journal kind of, in the middle, but if it's not perfect, that's okay. And you're going to glue it down. Maybe you close it, thump it a bunch of times to add some magic to it. And now you've got this cool kind of back pocket where you can throw things into your journal, keep it in there, and know that it's not going to fall out if you shake it around.